Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chevrolet Malibu FL in Summit White with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7656.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.